Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about different kinds of force and balanced forces and unbalanced forces. Okay. In last class, what we have discussed, what is the lesson name? Force and laws of motion. Okay. So what is mean by motion? Already you have expected in motion. Okay, what is mean by motion? Motion is a moving an object with respect time, that is called the motion. Or you understand? Okay, what is mean by force? Okay, and last class what we have seen, what is mean by force? A force is which is nothing but a push or pull of an body or of an object is called force. Okay, are you understand? Okay, whenever we want to open the door, okay, open the door. Okay, open the door means push the door. Okay, a door is an object, door is an body. Are you understand? Okay, we push the door. Whenever we close, we pull the door. Okay, we push the door or pull the door. Okay, of a body, on a body or on a object is called force. Are you understand? Force represented in next class we have detail. We will see detail. Force F equal to, what is mean by force? Force equal to mass into acceleration. Or you understand? Previous F equal to, we have to write F equal to mv also force. Okay, this is the mass of an object, v is the velocity of an object. Velocity increase means the object it gets the acceleration. Are you understand? So we have to write force F equal to mass into acceleration. What is mean by m? M is the mass of an object. Are you understand? The door, the mass of the door. Okay, what is mean by acceleration? Acceleration means change in rate of change rate in velocity, change of velocity. That is the acceleration. Are you understand? What is mean by acceleration? Change in velocity rate, or change the rate of velocity. Are you understand? Okay, that is the force. Force which is nothing but, that is the force is the a push or pull on a object. That is called the force. Now we can write force F equal to m into v. The velocity increase means we get the object gets acceleration. So we can write force F equal to m into a. M is the mass of an object. A is the acceleration of an object. Are you understand? Okay, now come to the point. The force, we apply the force on object, anyone, we apply the force any one object. Okay, force we cannot see, only produce the effects. Okay, we apply a force any one object means, okay, the object is rest or in motion. Okay, we can apply the force an object. Okay, the object produces some effect. Are you understand? Yesterday what we have seen, effects of force. Effects of force. Okay, what are the effects of force? Okay, the effects of force means we apply a force. Force can change a stationary body. A force can change a stationary body. Are you understand? What are the example? What is the example of a force can change a force can change a body? Let us consider the one playground. The ball is at rest. We apply a force on the ball. Are you understand? We apply a force on the ball. The ball is moving to the ball is in motion. The ball in a motion on the ground. Are you understand? So it produces the effect. The force produces an effect. We apply, whenever we apply a force an object, okay, a stationary object, whenever we apply a force and stationary object, the object will move. So it produces the effect. A force can move a stationary object. Are you understand? Next, a force can stop a moving object. A force can stop a moving object. Okay, what are the examples? Okay, whenever a car is moving in a road, we apply a brake. Are you understand? A car is moving 5 kilometer, a car is moving 100 meter speed. Okay, a car is moving 100 meter per second. Okay, we apply a brake. The brake is the force. Are you understand? Okay, we apply a brake. The brake is the force. Okay, a moving object. Okay, a force applied. A moving object. We apply a force on moving object to stop the object. That is the a force can move. A force can stop a moving object. A force can stop a moving object. Are you understand? வேகமா போற காருக்கு நம்ம force apply பண்ணோம் அப்படினா அது stop ஆயிடும். That is the force of effect. Effects of force. Are you understand? What is the another one effect? Can change a force can change the speed of a force. Okay, a force can change the speed of a force. Okay, what is the example? A bicycle. Okay, a person is moving to, a person is going to bicycle. Okay, we push the bicycle means a person increase the speed. Are you understand? Push the cycle means we give a force on the bicycle. Are you understand? So at the time the speed are increased. The speeds are increased. Okay, pull the bicycle means the speed are decreased. Okay, we apply a force and moving object, speed, increase the speed or decrease the speed. Are you understand? Why? That is the effects of force. Okay, next, change the direction of force. What is the direction of force? In cricket player, okay, in cricket ground, okay, in cricket match, a cricket ball, okay, a cricket bat change the direction of ball. Are you understand? Okay, a force can change the direction of a body. Are you understand? Okay, next, a force can change the shape of the body. Okay, a force can change the shape of the body means a balloon and clay. Okay, a butter man converted the clay means a butter man paana seiranga to convert the many changes. Okay, a force, they give you a force and pot. Okay, it get many changes. It get many shapes. That is the force. That and all effects of force. Are you understand? In last class, that and all we have discussed. Okay, so then different kinds of force is there. In our lesson, different kinds of force is there. Okay, in this class we have discussed only one force, that is a normal force. What is mean by normal force? Okay, what is mean by normal force? Do you have any idea? Okay, which is nothing but, see here, let us consider the one, this is the table. Okay, this is the one object or book. Okay, let us consider the one object. Okay, this object, this is the table, this is the table. The table, the books, the duster keep on the table. Are you understand? Okay, this is the normal force. Some forces occur on the duster. Some forces occur on the duster. Okay, this is the normal force. Okay, the object's upward direction is the normal force. The object's downward direction is the weight. Are you understand? That is the gravitational force. Are you understand? Okay, எப்படி இந்த டஸ்ட் நிக்குது நம்ம சொல்றோம்? That is the gravitation. This is the surface. Table மேல நிக்குது. அப்ப அங்க ரெண்டு force occur ஆகுது. What is the force? This is the normal force. This is the gravitational force. Okay, let us consider the one object. Let us consider the one object. எங்க ஒரு object, ரெண்டு object, எந்த ஒரு object-ஆ இருந்தாலும், okay, table மேல எங்க இருந்தாலும் சரி, the two forces is there. Upward direction normal force, downward direction is the weight or gravitational force அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? Okay, see here, this is the normal force denoted by n. This is an object, this is the weight. Okay, so what is mean by normal force? What is meant by normal force? நம்ம ஒரு டேபிள் மேல புக் வைக்கிறோம். Okay, are you understand? See here, this is the table. They left on the, keep on the duster on the table. Okay, some force is there. Okay, what are the forces? Normal forces n. This is normal reaction n. This is the gravitational force. This is the weight. Okay, are you understand? So what is mean by normal force? What is mean by normal force? How to say what is mean by normal force? Normal force, the force that balance the weight is called the normal force. Okay, this is the balanced the weight. This is the one object. The forces, the normal force. What is mean by normal force? Normal force, which is nothing but the normal force that balance the weight, is called the normal force. Are you understand what is mean by normal force? The force that balance the weight. Balance the weight. That is called the normal force. Generally, we have a table mala book வைக்கிறோம். சரியா? அப்ப normal forceங்கிறது என்னது? Balance the weight. That is called the normal force. That is a normal reaction. Normal force or normal reaction. Okay, balance the weight. What is mean by normal reaction? That is a balance the weight. Okay, are you understand? The force that balance the weight is called the normal force or normal reaction. Okay, upward direction, perpendicular to the surface, the force are perpendicular to the surface. That is called the normal force. Okay, the force, what is mean by normal force? The normal force perpendicular to the surface, upward direction. The normal force perpendicular to the surface, upward direction. That is called the normal force. Okay, what is mean by weight? Okay, what is mean by gravitational force? Means the downward force perpendicular to the force occur on the perpendicular to the downward. Okay, that is called the weight or gravitational. So okay, what is mean by normal force? Na the force eppadi occur agum appadina, the force the surface to the perpendicular the force occur in upward direction perpendicular to the surface. Are you understand? Okay, okay, what is mean by normal force? The force that balance the weight is called the normal force or normal reaction. Next, what is mean by weight? What is mean by weight? The weight of your body and earth's gravitational force is exerted, that is on it by earth. Okay, gravitational force enga occur agum? That is the earth. The force are exerted on it earth. Are you understand? Okay, so this is weight. Okay, what is mean by weight? Which is nothing but the weight of your body. The weight of your body and earth is gravitational force, and earth is a gravitational force. And the dust vechirkom நம்ம கை எடுத்துற என்ன ஆயிரும்? கீழ விழுந்துரும். What is the reason? It is a gravitational force. Yeah, earth is a gravitational force. That is a non-contact force. Are you understand? Earth is the non-contact force. That is the gravitational force is the non-contact force. Are you understand? Okay, the weight of your, what is mean by weight? The weight of your body and earth is gravitational force exerted on it by earth. Are you understand? Okay, now we are going to discuss about, are you understand or not? This is the, what is mean by different kinds of force is there. Now we are going to, in our lesson, normal force is the very important. What is mean by normal force? Okay, we have in next topic, balance and unbalanced force is there. It is the basic concept. What is mean by normal force? What is mean by weight? What is mean by friction? Are you understand? The three things are very important. Okay, in this lesson. Okay, this is a basic concept. Okay, this is the normal force. This is the weight. Weight is occurred in the due to gravitational, due to the earth. Are you understand? The weight of your body and earth is, the weight of your body and earth is gravitational force exerted on it by earth. Gravitational force eppadi occur agudhu? Due to earth. Are you understand? Okay, okay. Next, now we are going to discuss about the balanced force. So, okay, what is mean by, generally we have discussed what is mean by force. A push or pull on your body is called force. Okay, now we are going to discuss about, in this class we have discussed about what is mean by balanced force. And another one thing is unbalanced forces. balanced forces and unbalanced force. Okay, what is mean by balanced force? What is mean by balanced force? What is mean by balanced? Balanced means equal. Okay, we give a force an object. Okay, are you understand? In stationary object or moving object, or change in speed, a change in direction, and change the shape of an object. Okay, we give an equal force. Okay, that object gets balanced. Are you understand? Okay, we give balanced force on the object get balanced. Are you understand? That is called the balanced force. Are you understand? Okay, now let us consider the one object. A book keep on the table. Okay, we give normally occur in the two force is there, normal force and weight, that is a gravitational force. Are you understand? Okay, we give we give a force on the book. Are you understand? Okay, what happened? The book is not moving, so the book is moving or not moving. Okay, apart from the we give the apart from the force. Are you understand? Moving or not moving, we give the apart from the force. Are you understand? Okay, see here. First, now we are going to discuss about the balanced force. Okay, first, what is mean by balanced force? If all the resultant forces, okay, if the resultant of all the forces is equal to 0. Are you understand? All the forces acting on your body is 0. Okay, if all the forces body ki kudukkudiya nama and or object ku kudukkudiya ella force me is equal to 0 அப்படினா the force is called the balanced force. An object gets a balanced. Are you understand? Okay, see here, let us consider the one object. Let us consider the one object. Okay, the object contains the objects already we have discussed. Two forces is there. This is the force of reaction, that means the normal reaction, that is the normal force of reaction or normal reaction. Next, force of gravity or weight of box. Are you understand? Next, force of our push. We give a force of our push means we give a force. Okay, next, force of friction. Okay, let us consider the one object on the table means, let us consider the one object any one place means 4 forces occur on the object. Are you understand? One object vechtom appadinave adu mela 4 forces occur agum. Okay, what are the forces? This is the force of reaction, this is the force of gravity. Are you understand? This is the force of applying force, this is the force of friction. Okay, இப்போ நம்ம force of friction ங்கிறது என்ன, இது நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும், இது normal reaction, there is a normal force, this is a gravitational force. Okay, நீங்க listen here. இப்போ என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படினா, see here, this is the normal force. ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கு, ஒரு புக் வச்சிருக்கோம், இங்க டேபிள் மேல வச்சிருக்கோம், என்ன பண்றோம், listen here. This is the normal reaction, normal force, this is the gravitational force, weight, this is the applying force or force of our push. Okay, this is the frictional force, this is the frictional force. Okay, are you understand? Okay, these forces are equal means, okay, force of reaction, force of gravity, force of friction, force of our push, all the forces are equal to 0. Okay, your resultant of all the forces acting on your body is 0. This force is called the balanced forces. Are you understand? Okay, let us consider the one box, the box. Okay, we give the force. Okay, this is the rest, a box at rest, a box is, this is, let us consider the one box. See here, let us consider the one box. Okay, we apply a force. Are you understand? Okay, we give equal force. That means, okay, we give force of our push to give equal the frictional force or less than the frictional force. Are you understand? This is the already, this is a nature. Force of reaction, force of gravity is present naturally. Are you understand? Force of our push, force of friction already is there. Okay, a body contains the four forces is there. Are you understand? Okay, in a this box is a uniform motion. This box is a uniform motion. All the resultant forces equal to 0. All the resultant forces. What are all the resultant forces? Force of gravity, force of friction, force of reaction, force of our push equal to 0. When an object in the forces give a stationary object. A force give an stationary object. The forces are equal to 0. Are you understand? Okay. Next, the forces on moving. Whenever suppose a object on moving. When we give a force, when we give a equal force. Okay, when we give a equal force, see here, this object is the uniform. This object is an object at rest. An object at rest means the equal and extent and resultant forces. The four resultant forces equal to 0. Okay, so the force is called the balanced forces. The force is called the balanced forces. Okay, an object at rest or an object is a stationary object means the four forces equal to 0. The four resultant forces equal to 0. Are you understand? If the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is 0, the force is called the balanced force. Are you understand? Okay, so now we give applied force 5 Newton. Already we give the force 20 Newton or 20 Newton. Force of reaction 20 Newton, force of gravity 20 Newton. Okay. Now we give applied forces, give 5 Newton. Are you understand? Friction forces, friction. Okay, friction forces. We give apply the forces 5 Newton is less or equal. Okay, an object gets the resultant force is equal to 0. Okay, the box is not move. Are you understand? Okay, சொல்றது புரியுது இல்லைங்களா? இங்க பாருங்க, இப்போ நம்ம 5 நியூட்டன் ஃபோர்ஸ் இத கொடுத்து மூவ் பண்றோம். மூவ் பண்ணும்போது the resultant கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்து resultant friction ஃபோர்ஸோட கம்மியா இருக்கணும், இல்லைனா அதுக்கு ஈக்குவலா 5 நியூட்டன் ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுத்தோம் அப்படினா அந்த பாக்ஸ் வந்து மூவ் ஆகாது. That is a equal force-ஆ இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? மூவ் ஆகாது. Are you understand? Okay, we give equal force. Are you understand? Okay, and yeah, suppose you move a box. Suppose an body is moving to give a uniform velocity, to give a equal velocity, to give a uniform speed. That force is called the unbalanced forces. Okay, and a box is an object set in rest. An object is present in rest. An object is rest means the resultant force is equal to 0. The force is called the balanced force. Are you understand? Suppose we apply the force of 5 Newton less than frictional force, or to give equal force means that force is called, the resultant force is equal to 0. Are you understand? Okay, if suppose we give some forces, the object is moving means the object moves in a uniform speed. Okay, that force is called the balanced forces. Okay, what is mean by balanced forces? Balanced forces do not change the state of rest or motion. That is the balanced forces. Balanced forces means it is a rest. Okay, do not change the state of rest or motion and of a body. These forces do not produce any acceleration. Okay, the forces can change the shape of the body. Okay, let us consider the one balloon. Okay, burn the balloon and push the balloon to equal forces. We give equal forces on both sides. That balloon gets the balanced forces. So the balanced forces only change the shape of the body. Are you understand what is meant by balanced forces? Which is nothing but balanced forces do not change the state of rest or motion. Okay, balanced force of your body. These forces do not produce any acceleration. Okay, body move ஆனாதானே acceleration occur ஆகும். Body இங்க move ஆகல அப்படிங்கும்போது acceleration occur ஆகாது. The forces can change the shape of the body. Are you understand? Let us consider the one object. It is in rest. Okay, அப்போ ரெஸ்ட்ல இருக்கும்போது an object contains a four forces. It is the force of reaction or normal force, force of gravity or weight of box, or force of friction and force of our push. All the resultant, all the forces are equal to 0. Okay, that is the balanced forces do not change the state of rest or motion. State of rest or motion. Okay, motion means tug of war. Example, we give tug of war. Another one example, tug of war. Okay, that is kair ilithal poti theriyalingla. This is the equal, we give equal force. Okay, two teams, A team, B team. Okay, we give 5 Newton force, we give 5 Newton force this side. Okay, that's the equal force. Okay, that person pull the rope, equal force, that person pull the rope, equal force. Okay, so the balanced force is equal to 0. That is the uniform motion. Are you understand? Okay, this is the balanced force. Best example of tug of war. This person to give 5 Newton force, this person to give 5 Newton force. So that is called the balanced force. Are you understand? Okay, that is that object is let us consider that object is in rest or motion. Okay, that the object is motion. Okay, the tug of war is in motion, but the balanced force is 0. The resultant forces is 0. Are you understand? Why means we give equal force to teams. So the balanced force equal to 0. Are you understand? Okay, now we are going to, this is the, now we can write normal reaction equal to weight. Normal reaction equal to weight. Applied force equal to frictional force. That means this is called the balanced force. Balanced forces which is nothing but normal reaction equal to weight. This is the normal reaction equal to weight. Applied force equal to frictional force. This is the applied force. We apply the force of our push is the frictional force. These forces are equal, these forces are equal. So the resultant force is equal to 0. That is called the balanced force. Okay, next now we are going to unbalanced forces. Okay, now next unbalanced forces. Okay, wow. Okay, what is meant by balanced forces? Balanced forces means which is nothing but let us consider the stationary object. Okay, that object that object is stationary means rest. Okay, so normal force and normal force, that is a force of reaction, normal force and weight equal to weight, normal force equal to weight, then force of apply force and frictional force equal to apply force equal to frictional force. So this is the balanced force. Are you understand? Okay, normal force equal to weight, that is a force of gravity. Normal force equal to weight, applied force equal to frictional force. Applied force equal to frictional force. Okay, this object is called, this object contains a balanced force. Are you understand? Okay. In object, let us consider the one box. Okay, let us consider the one box. We push the box, but the box does not move. Why? Means the box contain a 4 forces. Are you understand? Let us consider the one stationary box. Okay, one rest box. Let us consider the one box or book. Okay, ma? Say we push the box. We push the box. The box does not move. Are you understand? The box does not move. Why? Means the box contain a 4 forces equal. What are the 4 forces? Force of reaction, that is a normal force exerted by ground. Are you understand? This is the force of gravity, that weight of the box. Weight of the box due to force of gravity. Okay. Then apply the force on object. Then frictional force. Okay, the 4 forces is there. Let us consider the one stationary object. We apply a force, but the stationary object does not move. Why? Means the object contain a 4 equal forces. What are the equal forces? This one. So the 4 forces equal to all the resultant forces equal to 0. This force is called the balanced force. Are you understand? Force of reaction or normal force equal to force of gravity or weight. Applied the force equal to frictional force. So this is called the balanced force. All the resultant force is equal to 0. Suppose we move the object. Okay, we apply the force. Okay, we apply the force less than frictional force or equal. We apply the force or equal to frictional force or less than the frictional force. Means the object gets a balanced force at the time only. Are you understand? Okay, an object moves or uniform speed. At the time only we give small force less than frictional force or equal frictional force. We apply the force. Are you understand? Okay, the object move uniform speed. Are you understand? That is called the balanced force. The resultant force is equal to 0. That is balanced force. The resultant force, what are the resultant force? The 4 forces. Are you understand? Okay. Next, unbalanced force. What is mean by unbalanced force? Means let us consider the one car. Okay, this is the object. Let us consider this object. Okay, this what is mean by unbalanced means we give already we have explained no tug of war. We give same forces. Okay, this A team, this B team, A team 5 Newton of force, B team gives 5 Newton of force. It is a balanced force. Are you understand? Okay, same like that tug of war. This A team gives 8 Newton force, B team gives 10 Newton of force. So the 10 Newton of force and tug of war win the tug of war. Why? Means this give excess of force. Are you understand? The B team gives excess of force. So the A team less force, that is a frictional force. Are you understand? See here, let us consider the tug of war. Okay, that is, let us consider the one box. Okay, we apply the force of our push 10 Newton. 10 Newton. Are you understand? Okay, then force of friction 12 Newton. Are you understand? So the box is moving. ஓகே, ஒரு பாக்ஸ் வந்து டேபிள் மேலே இருக்குது. நம்ம வந்து அந்த டேபிள் மேலே இருக்கிறதோட அதிகமாக ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுக்குறோம். தட் இஸ் அ ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ். இப்போ கார் நம்ம எப்படி நடக்கிறோம், நம்ம எப்படி கார் மூவ் ஆகுது, நம்ம கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஃபோர்ஸோட ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்கிறனால தான் கார் வந்து மூவ் ஆகுது. ஓகேவா? நம்ம கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்து எவ்வளவு, நம்ம காருக்கு வந்து எவ்வளோ ஆக்சிலேட்டர் கொடுக்குறோமோ அதோட கீழே ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் கார் மூவ் ஆகும். Are you understand? Okay, நம்ம நடக்கிறதுலையும் தரையோட ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் அதிகமாக இருக்கிறனால தான் நம்மளால் நடக்க முடியுது. Are you understand? That is called the frictional force. நம்ம கொடுக்கக்கூடிய force, that is the frictional force. Apply force greater than the apply force அதிகமாக இருக்கணும், அதை விட எங்கள் frictional forceங்கிறது கம்மியாக இருக்கணும். Are you understand? நம்ம frictional forceோட அதிகமாக கொடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா apply a force greater than that is apply force அதிகமாக இருக்கணும். Apply frictional force greater than the apply force. Are you understand? Apply கொடுக்கக்கூடிய force அதிகமா இருக்கணும். Frictional force ஓட அதிகமா இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் சரி. நம்ம மாத்தி சொல்லிட்டேன். Change the concept. Frictional force கம்மியா இருக்கணும். Frictional force ஓட நம்ம கொடுக்கக்கூடிய force அதிகமா இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் நம்மளால மூவ் பண்ண முடியும். Are you understand? Frictional forceங்கிறது ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. That is the one of the force. நம்ம மூவ் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா நம்ம கொடுக்கக்கூடிய forceக்கு நம்ம கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா ஒரு force கொடுக்க போறீங்களா? இப்போ this is the object. This object is to give you opposite force, that is a frictional force. Are you understand what is mean by frictional force? Which is nothing but opposite to the motion. நகரக்கூடிய ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு to moving object to give opposite direction, we give you a force in opposite direction, that is the frictional force. Are you understand? Okay, see here, force of our Newton 10 Newton, this is 8 Newton. Okay, நம்ம apply force 10 Newton கொடுக்கும்போது 8 Newton இருக்கும்போது the box வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? மூவ் ஆயிரும். ஈக்குவல் ஃபோர்ஸாக இருந்தால் மூவ் ஆகுது. ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸும் இதுவும் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா மூவ் ஆகாது. பட் ஆனால் இதோட ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸோட நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணுற ஃபோர்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா பாக்ஸ் மூவ் ஆகும். தட் இஸ் கால்டு த அன்பேலன்ஸ்டு ஃபோர்ஸஸ். Are you understand? நம்ம effects of force பார்த்தோம் இல்லைங்களா? Effects of what are the effects of force? And a stationary object, a force can change the stationary object to an moving. Okay, a force can change the stationary object to move. Are you understand? We apply a force on the ball. That is the apply a force on the ball. The ball is on moving. Why? Means the friction is less in the ground, so that ball is on moving. Are you understand? That is called the unbalanced forces. Okay, a ball is at rest means, see here, a ball is at rest means the resultant force is equal to 0. That is called the balanced force. Okay, we give the ball, we apply a force on the ball 10 Newton. Okay, this is the 8 Newton. Frictional force is the 8 Newton. We apply a force 10 Newton. Apply a force is greater than the frictional force. Greater than we apply a force greater than the frictional force. So the ball is on moving. This is called the unbalanced forces. Balanced forces are in the ball does not move. Okay, now the ball contains the unbalanced forces. Why? Means we apply the forces excess of, we apply a forces on excess. We give you forces on excess of the body. We give you a force excess of the body. Okay, are you understand? That is the unbalanced forces. Are you understand? Okay, force of gravity, force of reaction ஈக்குவல் ஃபோர்ஸாக இருந்தாலும் நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணுற ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணுற ஃபோர்ஸ் அதிகமாக ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸோட அதிகமாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா an object is moving. Are you understand? Okay, simply we can say normal reaction equal to weight, normal reaction equal to weight. Are you understand? Okay, apply force அதிகமாகவும் ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் கம்மியாகவும் இருந்துச்சுன்னா the object is in moving. So the object contains a balanced forces. Are you understand? Okay, the ball and stationary object or moving object, we give a excess force. Okay, stationary object into stop, into moving. Okay, we give you a force on stationary object means the object is going to move. Okay, yeah, a force can moving to stop. Are you understand? Okay, a force can change the moving object. Are you understand? Okay, next change the direction also, change the direction also, change the speed also. That is the unbalanced forces. We give excess force. Are you understand? At that time only balanced forces is occur on the object. Okay, this is the unbalanced forces. What is mean by unbalanced forces? Unbalanced forces, which is nothing but change the state of rest or motion. Change the state or rest or motion. Why? Means we give excess force of a motion body under the effect of unbalanced force a body. Are you understand? Moving at constant speed gets accelerated. Okay, now we are moving in a car in uniform speed. Okay, in after 2 km we are moving to 10 meter per second. The time is the 10 meter per second. After 3 hours, the time is the 20 meter per second. So, the velocity changes means the car gets the acceleration. Are you understand? That is the unbalanced forces. Are you understand? Okay. What is mean by unbalanced forces? If the resultant force is not equal to 0, the resultant force not equal to 0, that is the unbalanced forces. Balanced forces means if all the resultant forces equal to 0. Are you understand? Okay. What is mean by unbalanced forces? Unbalanced forces change the state of rest or motion of a body under the effect of unbalanced force of a body. Okay. Are you understand, students? Okay. Okay, you understand the concept. Apply normal reaction equal to weight. This is the normal reaction. This is the weight. Are you understand? Weight, force of gravity due to weight of the box, force due to force of gravity. This is apply the force. We apply the force. This is the frictional force. Are you understand? Frictional force only present means now we are moving. Frictional force absent means now we does not move. Are you understand? We are not moving. We are not moving. Are you understand? Now we are moving means frictional forces are present in the ground. The ball is moving means we apply the force. How to move the ball? The frictional force. Are you understand? Okay. Okay. Then are you understand the concept? Balanced force and unbalanced force, which is nothing but balanced force means the resultant force is equal to 0. Unbalanced forces means the resultant forces is equal to not 0. Okay. Are you understand? Okay. Let us consider the stationary object. The object contains 4 resultant forces. What are the forces? That's all. Okay. Next, what is mean by resultant forces? What is mean by resultant forces? Resultant force is that a single force acting on your object, acting on your body, which produces the same effect. Okay. We throw the ball on the speed. Then we thrown on the ball on the wall. The same force occur on the return the ball. Okay, that is the resultant force or acceleration as produced by number of forces acting simultaneously. Are you understand? What is meant by resultant force? Which is nothing but force, that single force. A single force acting. Let us consider the ball thrown in on the wall. To return the ball, same force. Okay, acting body which produce the same effect or acceleration as produced by number of forces acting simultaneously. Are you understand? This is the resultant force. Today what and all we have discussed? What is mean by normal force? What is mean by weight? What is mean by balanced forces? What is mean by unbalanced forces? What is mean by resultant forces? Don't confuse it. Go through the NCERT book. Understand the concept properly. Okay, I will give worksheet. Do properly. Okay, students, thank you. Any doubt means come and ask me. Okay, thank you.